All right, thanks Marley for asking me to do this question. So we have a negative 3x plus 2y equals 6, and we were asked to find out what the x and the y intercepts are for this problem. So without having to rearrange the equation or solve it or anything like that, we are going to solve it, but we're just going to look at that and think about what has to happen when we are intersecting either the y or the x axis. So when we're doing an x-intercept, we are looking for the x coordinate, which means our y coordinate would be 0. So I'm just going to replace the spot right there with a 0. And then the same thing happens with the y-intercept. We're looking for the y coordinate that time, and our x is going to be 0. So we're going to replace the x coordinate with that spot right there. So now all we're going to do is take a look at this equation, and we will start off by using, let's do the x-intercept first. So when the x-intercept is what we're looking for, we're going to solve for x, which means we replace the 0 where the y is. So you really have negative 3x plus 2, and then we replace that y with 0, and it's equal to 6. Now, obviously, this is going to cancel out, so what you're just left with is negative 3x is equal to 6. And then when I get rid of that negative 3 by dividing it both sides by negative 3, that cancels, and we're left with x is equal to 6 divided by negative 3, which is negative 2. So that is your x-intercept, negative 2, comma, 0. Now we'll do the same thing with the y-intercept. So again, we're going to replace that x coordinate with 0, which we would do here. So negative 3 times 0 plus 2y equals 6. Again, essentially, this is not really even there because that zeroes out, and you're left with 2y is equal to 6. I want to get rid of that 2 by dividing both sides by 2, and you get y is equal to 6 divided by 2, which is 3. And our y-intercept would be 0, comma 3 for this one. And if you want more questions like these, you can find them on my YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at YouWantAlgebra. And these are going to be located in the Solving Linear Equations section.